Recall that when the air passes through a cooling coil, moisture in the air converts into water. This conversion of moisture or vapor into water is called condensation. The condensate drain helps remove this water. The condensate drain consists of a drain pan and a drain line. The water that drips off the cooling coil is collected in the drain pan. Then, from the drain pan, the condensate drain line moves the water out of the house. PTrap is a curved pipe attached to the condensate drain line. Drain water is collected at the bottom of the curved PTrap. This water creates an air seal that prevents air from outside entering the furnace. PTrap is placed near the furnace. After we look for water around the air handler, we need to remove the access panel. We then inspect the drain pan with a flashlight for leaks. We also inspect for debris and clean the drain pan if it has any debris. Next, we check the opening to the condensate drain line for any obvious debris. We have to pour the water into the drain pan and observe the water level in it. The poured water should flow freely through the drain line. Otherwise, we have to clean the drain line.